What's up guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm working with the Hangar and doing an RC conversion on their Corsair truck glider. The plans for this plane will be in the description if you'd like to try to build your own. Here I'm just cutting out the fuselage pieces. I hollowed the middle one out so I can save some weight to keep the airframe light. That's all glued together, we can start on the wing. I score the marked locations on the wing with a dull razor so that I can achieve the gull wing shape that the Corsair has. Now I'm just marking out where I want to place the electronics. The electronics I'm using for this Corsair are from an old UMX timber. For all my builds I like to recycle old parts so that I can make them into new planes. Now I'm just cutting out the aileron control surfaces and installing the servos. Now I'm just plugging in the battery to test the ailerons and make sure everything moves freely. Remember, you want the servo gears free. If you get hot glue or anything else on them, it could potentially burn up the motors. And now I'm just installing the 3000 kV brushless motor that comes on the UMX timber. This should be a perfect amount of power considering how light the airframe is. Now it's time to prep up the plane for some paint. I'm cutting some stickers out so I can mask off parts of the plane I want to keep white. I'm finishing up masking the plane and the electronics so they don't get damaged. Now let's mix up a blue paint so we can airbrush it on. Now that that's all painted, I can remove the masking and take out a sheet of yellow vinyl so I can do the cowling. I printed out some US Air Force rondelles so I can cut them out and put them on the plane. I think the paint job on this plane came out pretty good, so now it's time to take it out for a test flight. No better way to test a micro than to do it at 50-mile-an-hour winds. Let's go. Not sure what it is, but something about this plane makes it such a great flyer. The team over at the Hangar really did a good job designing and making this super easy to build. The link to their website and YouTube channel is in the description. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.